In this video, I am going to be reviewing the Voltrover e-bike. Now, this is one of the newer bikes on the market and it's absolutely insane. This has a 2200 watt motor and this is going to be perfect for a teenager that's 14 plus and for adults under 220 pounds. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and honestly, I've been ripping around on this thing, no problem. It's a little bit bigger than a mini bike, so it's pretty comfortable, and that aspect of it makes it really fun for adults. If you are a teenager, this is definitely something that you are gonna love. And it is such an affordable price. And you get so many amazing upgrades that come with it. And I'm gonna be going over those in this video. This e-bike comes in black or orange. This is gonna be the all black model. It's gonna have orange calipers on here that just pop and look really nice. A little bit of orange graphics in the front. And then after you place the order with one, you can actually reach out to the company if you want custom graphics, and they can actually do that for you. That's pretty cool. So this goes 31 miles an hour. I've had this up to 34 miles an hour myself, and it also has 3 different gear modes on it that are just right on the actual handlebar, right on the side, really easy to press and control. Gear 1 is going to limit you at like 20 miles an hour. Gear 2 is going to give you a little bit more power, and then gear 3 is going to get you all the way up in kind of like a sport mode. This has amazing hydraulic brakes that are very responsive. I love the way that they feel. I mean, as you hit them, they're not making your hand cramp. They're just easy to press, but a nice firmness. They grab really nice. The brakes lock up when you want them to, and you can stop on a dime. We have huge brake rotors on here as well, so that's going to help the pad catch. And then we also are going to have really knobby tires. As you take a look at this bike, you actually get a 14-inch wheel and tire in the front, and then a 12-inch in the rear. So if you like popping wheelies, you definitely can do that. I'm not one to be able to do that, but that smaller wheel is going to help you, and it's also going to help you with acceleration. Tire in the back's pretty wide, super knobby. I've done a lot of off-roading on this already. Some hill climbs, I've rode in the mud, and this has performed amazing. And especially with me being 150 pounds, I'm like right in the sweet spot. I've been able to hill climb, acceleration's fast, and it just feels really good. I love the accents on this bike. So this just looks like an actual dirt bike. Some of the other e-bikes that are out there don't have a really aggressive look like this. This looks like a gas-powered dirt bike, although it is completely electric. The fenders on the side have such a nice aero. They're really purposeful, really functional. They keep the mud away from the bike and all the components that you don't want to get wet or muddy or dirty. Fender in the front looks like an actual dirt bike fender. You do get a number. The shocks feel amazing. And in the rear, the suspension's really nice. I love the kickstand, so you don't have to lay this on the ground. It's just really practical. You get a huge disc brake in the rear as well. That's going to be hydraulic. And then you get these really nice foot pegs that do fold up just like a regular dirt bike. So if you are like leaning in a corner, that's just like a safety feature. They're really grippy. They're made of metal, and it's going to grip your shoes or your boots perfectly. Sprocket on here is a good size, going to help with acceleration. You get a durable chain, and the battery is actually going to be located underneath the seat. So all you got to do is just take the keys. You get 2 keys that come with it, unlock it, lift it up, and you can actually take the battery completely out. There's just a couple bolts and a bracket. You undo the power cable, and there's a handle on this battery. You can actually take it out completely. So if you do want to have a secondary battery, you can swap that out if you're doing riding for a long period of time and you want to make sure you can have a battery life that's going to last you all day. Now, this battery specifically will last about 32-mile range before you need to charge it. I haven't fully drained the battery yet, but as I've been cruising around, I've done about 4 miles and I've gone down 1 bar. And I can only imagine that if you have this on gear 3 and you're running it constantly and you're a little bit heavier, you're probably going to get about 16 to 20 miles. If you're going to baby it a little bit more, maybe you're a little bit lighter, you could probably get up to that 32-mile range. But I was able to ride around for 2 hours of fun. It only drained me about 1 bar. So that's a win for me. The seat is really comfortable. It's a good seating position. It's actually pretty long. So if you are bigger, you can just scoot a little bit back and you can angle the handlebars up to give you a little bit more room, or you can actually ride like all the way up in the front. If you're hitting a turn, you can do burnouts on here. You can do brake slides. You can just stand here and just spin tire. It's so much fun. The throttle feels amazing. You can actually move it a normal amount like an actual dirt bike. The grips are nice. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't feel the need to like upgrade these or replace them, although you can. They feel really good, and it's probably a grip that I would just run until they wear out and then maybe look at another option. option, but they're really nice for just being the stock grip on here. The LCD screen on here is huge. This LCD screen is going to be very easy to see in daylight too, which is super important to me because when you're riding at peak sunlight, you want to make sure you can be able to see your speed and how many bars of battery you have left. That's really important. So that does not fail me at all. It's a big screen, very bright, so no issues with that whatsoever. Again, the front brake is really nice. Front brake's going to be on the right, rear brake is going to be on the left side. When the bike arrives, it shows up in a big box, and all you got to do is like put the wheel on, the caliper, the handlebars, just run a couple cables, and you're pretty much good to go. I assembled this bike in about a half an hour to an hour, so it didn't take me long at all before I was out there riding. I also like how the bars have an angle on them, so you can push them a little bit up, again, if you're a little bit bigger, and it will just give you a lot of room. You can just have fun on this bike. It fits me perfectly. As I've been riding this around, it does well in grass. It does good on pavement. I was riding it in the cold on the dirt that's like hard, and it was really good. The suspension was great. I didn't feel like I was bottoming out one time. It felt really good. The frame's actually gonna be pretty thick and rigid as well, so that's gonna be a pretty upgraded frame. And one thing that I noticed off the rip was this has a lot of ground clearance. You're able to go over rocks, dirt, and different like transitions in the hills. And I didn't even scrape the bottom of this one time. It has a really nice ground clearance. Even with me sitting on it and sagging down, it still provides a lot of room for you to ride over stuff and have fun. After riding this bike, I'm way more confident in it than what I thought I was gonna be. And I have a lot of faith in this bike. It seems like it's gonna stand the test of time. But at the end of the day, this is gonna be an absolutely perfect e-bike for somebody that's a teenager or you're an adult that's looking for kind of like a mini bike. Trust me, you're gonna have a great time on this. It's so much fun, and I would get another one because it's that good. I highly recommend this e-bike. I think these are gonna be very popular. People are gonna have a great time on them. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.